In 1976, South Elgin, Illinois entered a contract with American LaFrance for a 1,500 gallon per minute engine at the price of $81,750. The engine was approved by the underwriters after service test on July the 14th, 1977, and it was received the serial number 5 CE5526. The engine served South Elgin for many years, and 1 year after it was delivered, it pumped 26 hours nonstop from the river for a large lumber mill fire. When it was retired, this photo is showing the chief and a captain saying goodbye forever to Engine 6 of South Elgin. I purchased the engine and began restoration in 2001. As we began to remove parts of the apparatus, we found the corrosion was excessive, which is typical for engines that serve in the harsh winters of Illinois. The contract was let to Vanek Collision, which specializes in fire engine repair and restoration. After 9 coats of paint and after $152,000, the engine became to be gorgeous again, just as it was when it was delivered in 1977. As you can see from these photos, the engine has been restored with all equipment that was appropriate for the period in which it served. All of the equipment has been collected over the years by me and restored by me and installed appropriately on the fire engine. I am still in process of collecting items for it to completely furnish the engine and rig, be ready to go to an alarm at a moment's notice. After the initial phase of restoration was completed, we named it Worthington Engine 1. Since I'm the owner and I'm writing the checks, I thought, why not? During the next phase of restoration, we continued working on items that needed to be re-chromed, metal that needed to be polished, ladders that needed to be restored, and of course a bell that needed to be installed on the front of the engine. Worthington Engine 1 is stored in a heated and air-conditioned facility and is taken out for special events, for parades, for fundraisers, and just for fun. The engine is equipped with Motorola radios, both VHF and UHF. The motor in this engine is a Detroit diesel 8V71 365 horsepower engine. It is equipped with an Allison automatic transmission, and it knows one way to go, and that is pedal to the metal. At the Chicago Fire Buffs Club at the Fire Academy in Chicago, Illinois, Worthington Engine 1 got a good workout pumping to this very, very old water tower that belonged to Chicago. After this exercise of the pumps, we then went to Wrigley Field and put Engine 1, Worthington Engine 1, in the Wrigley Field Fire Station where Engine 78 is housed. Wow. That's pretty cool. We then pulled the engine around to the front of Wrigley Field, home of the Chicago Cubs, and got pictures in front of the iconic sign. There was a wedding party there also getting pictures, and they wanted to be photographed on the fire engine, and we were certainly glad to accommodate them. I have enjoyed so many aspects of restoring this engine to its original beauty, but one of the most enjoyable things to me is taking my grandchildren to McDonald's on a Saturday morning in the fire engine with their suits on. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it encourages you too to restore a fire engine to its original beauty and functionality.